Hi, my name is Bru, I'm 16 years old, and I'm actually Italo-Spanish. That's why sometimes I make some mistakes, because English is not my first language. And why I'm making this channel? Well, to document my journey to become an actress. Yes, because I want to become an actress. Actually, one of the big ones. So, if you are here and you subscribe, you can claim your I knew her from the start ticket. Also, since this is the first video, I want to introduce the channel, and this is called Bru's Project because I'm Bru, and Project because this is my project, obviously. And in this channel, we'll be talking about movies, fashion, cooking recipes, why not? Maybe video games, I really don't know about that. I will be thinking about that. And well, other stuff actually, books too. And that's it for now.
Who took the bomb?
So how will we be rebranding? Well, we will follow this video of Tamkar while she explains us how to rebrand. So the first thing to do is shadow work. How to do it? Well, in the video she suggested to look on Pinterest for journal prompts. Well, I use this one, but there are also these other two here. Let's grab our journal, in my case this one here, and this is like adhesive sticker. Then we got journaling. These are like stuff that I really like. Lip Steve, yes. And this is my journal. So we open a page and we start with our shadow work. Now we'll be setting goals. So things that we want to happen, and we will work for them to happen in the future. For example, I want to do more castings. I want to get better grades. I want to learn how to cook. This kind of stuff. And we start like writing them on our journal. I hope. This is how I did it. I put like here goals and started like putting the stuff I want to happen and to work on. Now we'll be writing how our new self will be. But in present, like, no, I dress like this, like that, I put these glasses, I do all this stuff, and you start like putting how she smells. I'm saying she, but it's you, okay? How she smells, how she dresses, how she talks. I mean, all the stuff that you want to sort of change, you start like planning how you want it to change. To me, like the thing I want to change, the only one, it's the personal style. That right now I'm dressed like this, but normally I just dress with normal shirts and all that stuff. And I wrote like that I wanted a little more personal style, that it's changing, that it's unique and well, pretty colorful. I really like colors and all the stuff. Other stuff that we'll be writing is like the routine of our week. In my example, I have to go to school, but you know, like working. If you, for example, I do fencing, then I will put like she goes to train. She trains and stuff. Actually, and then I go to school. So I go to school, and then I put like the things I do, like oh, she films videos. Oh, she does that. She does the other things. Also like the hobbies, the things that we do in our free time. Actually, I will not be writing this stuff because I already did write them. But, you know, for you to know. Also, who she spends time with. Also, another thing that we can do is a vision board. I'll show you mine. For example, this is my vision board on Pinterest. And yeah, it's like acting stuff, the typical everything we will work out, but also there's like aesthetic stuff. Yeah, I wanted to learn Greek, so ancient Greek, so I put like this, and I'm already doing it. Then this is again like I like to travel to Greece. These are having a friend group, style, my hair, which I actually happened. Also writing, because I also write, fancying, like this stuff, grades, which actually this stuff is happening. So yeah, it works. Things I did, my wallpaper. I changed my wallpaper of my phone. I actually changed it to my vision board. Like I took my vision board and made out of it a wallpaper, and yes, I really like it. And then other stuff you can do is like change your room, the layout of your room. I didn't do that because I actually like my room, but yeah, if you want, you can do that. You can also do a new playlist just with the song that you like, or like playlist for different times of the day. Like, no, I want a playlist for when I make up, a playlist for when I'm on my car, a playlist for, I don't know, anything. Now we will be talking about appearance. Well, she divides this in 3 parts: health, beauty, and fashion. In health, she talks mostly about nutrition, and about this, I don't really want to go in deep with this because, like, eating, it's like a real personal thing, and I don't feel like I'm qualified to talk about this. Fashion is more like finding your own personal style. Like when you are on Pinterest, you can look for outfits and start to look like, you know, typical on Pinterest. Oh yes, I like this outfit. No, yes, I don't like that one so much. Start making like a Pinterest board with all the outfits you like, take inspiration from them. That's one thing you can do. Also, another thing that I do is, for example, start to understand which shops I like more and which less. For example, I really like Bershka and Stradivarius because, for example, this is from Stradivarius actually, because I really like this streetwear, but I also like classic style, like that little mix. I don't know where it comes from, but yeah, it works out for me. So maybe you're more like a leftist. For example, if I want two lefties, I don't know what it buy because I don't really like the stuff, but it's all personal, okay? And then you can also start to understand which colors you like, what you like less. Also, there's stuff you can do is start looking for, like, start to instruct yourself about fashion. So yeah, how to combine pieces, how to do that stuff. Another thing is learning makeup. Obviously, if you don't like makeup, you're not forced to do it, but makeup really can change your appearance. Like, I really like makeup. Right now I'm not wearing almost any, like, I just did lips and here I put some mascara, but actually I love makeup. And a thing that really helps you is watching tutorials on TikTok, YouTube. There are also tutorials on Pinterest, everywhere, also on Instagram, everywhere. And watch tutorials and start to understand what fits your face type, like, because not all the kind of makeups fits your face type. Another important thing that please keep in your mind, because I saw a lot of my teachers do it, and please don't do it. Find a shade of foundation that it's actually your skin shade. Because, for example, I am this one teacher that I won't say names because just in case you see the video, that she actually has the face, actually her face is orange and her neck is white, and it's like, please don't be Trump. I have like actually 2 tips about this, and thing is, eyelashes serums, like, they really work. I'm not joking, that stuff, I don't know what they put in it, but it works. Like, it's magic. And yeah, I use one from Mercadona because I live in Spain, so that's why. But actually any eyelash serum can work for, if it works out for you, it's okay. And the second tip, it's like using Vaseline. Like, if you don't have lash serum, you can use it for eyelashes. Obviously, it doesn't work the same, but it can work as a substitute. And then on your lips, and then we got mindset. Yes, girl, you can do it. You just have to try. Like, you have to be a little bit delusional. Yes, I can say it. Like, sometimes you feel delusional, but if you are not, what will you say? Like, you will just give up on it or something like that? No, you try, you fail, and then you feel better. Like that actor said, I don't really remember its name. It's Peter Dinklage. I think I said it right. I don't know. And then we have to develop the I don't give a about anything. Yeah, that kind of mindset. Actually, I don't know how to do it. Like, I care too much. But yeah, we have to start like giving less importance to the things and like take life less seriously, because not everything is that deep. This is all for this video. If you liked it, like, and if you want, you can subscribe and claim your I knew her from the start ticket. And well, see you in the next video. Bye!
Who took the bomb?